Hey everyone, in today's video we'll learn if your YouTube on tab watchers are not updating the right way, right?
Also, do check out the YouTube Launch Playbook, which is written with pure intent to help YouTube beginners know all the tips and tricks with screenshots and step by step guide to set up and launch your channel the right way and also grow it in a way that is very organic. The link is in the video description.
So I have got a lot of queries wherein people are checking the overall analytics of their channel and comparing it with the earn tab, right? The progress for monetization. Now, most of these times these won't tally, and we'll check what are the actual reasons behind it. The first one is update delay, the most common, right? So the earn tab updates in 24 to 70 hours and not real time. So the views which you see in analytics over here are first of all combined of long and short videos, but these update in real time. However, the earn tab updates in 24 to 72 hours. So that's why these won't tally, right? Second, only public watch hours count for monetization, right? So public watch hours from public long videos and public live streams. If you go over to analytics and if you see the watch hours, these are consolidated of short and long views. However, for the earn tab, these are counted separately, right? You can see over here, these are public short views or you can see public watch hours, right? So these are not these are separately counted either or, right? Unlike in analytics, right? So do not count shorts watch time, private videos, unlisted videos, or deleted videos watch time when you're comparing the analytics and on tab watch hours. Third is watch hours are outside the 365-day window, right? So when you go to analytics and compare for lifetime, you have to only check for last 365 days, because in the earn tab only last 365 days valid public watch hours are considered. So that's another important point. The fourth one can be YouTube verifies watch time to filter invalid traffic, spam, bot views, or artificial viewing. During this process, watchers may temporarily lag behind analytics. So you have to understand that they will eliminate all such hours which have been driven by maybe bots or by invalid traffic, right? And as I said, analytics versus earn tab difference would be primarily due to this. If you compare the analytics and earn tab, analytics would have all content types, shorts, long, live stream, while earn tab will have only eligible public watch hours. That's the most important thing. And sometimes the progress bar refreshes only periodically, even the analytics has already updated. So it will get updated, but it will take some time. What you can do is you can wait 40 to 72 hours after gaining watch time and ensure your videos are public. Don't worry if there is a temporary mismatch, it's normal. When to be concerned is when it hasn't been updated for more than 5 to 7 days. It's reflecting in analytics but not in on tab. Then post 5 to 7 days. Check if your videos are public, review whether the watch time came from long form videos, and then contact YouTube creator support or post on YouTube help community. Right? I hope this was helpful. If you have any queries, do drop in the comment section and subscribe to our channel YouTube with Saave.